Hello friends and welcome to Amazon. Today we have in the studio a real champion, boasting a powerful processor, stunning display and a pro-grade camera. Yes, we are talking about none other than the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE/FG. So let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a power-packed Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which gives you blazing fast speed and lag-free performance. Whether you're multitasking or heavy gaming, this processor is highly stable and reliable. So for my end, full marks here for the S20 FE. Camera performance is where this phone outshines many other phones in this segment. It has a triple camera setup, equipped with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 12 megapixel wide angle and an 8 megapixel telephoto sensor. A major upgrade over the dual camera setup, triple camera allows you to take ultra-wide as well as zoomed in shots with depth and clarity. The Samsung S20 FE delivers pro-grade photos with brilliant accuracy and color reproduction. It has a stellar night mode and a 30x space zoom feature, so you can zoom all you want without worrying that your image will get pixelated. The front 32 megapixel camera is perfect for Instagram-worthy selfies. Talking about the display, it's simply brilliant. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE provides an immersive viewing experience with its 6.5-inch Infinity O Super AMOLED display offering a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The Super AMOLED has a big advantage over the FHD Plus as it offers more vivid and brighter colors. So your movies and gaming experience are going to be unmatched with this phone. Equipped with a massive 4500 mAh battery, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE can easily last you more than a day. Pair it with a 25-watt fast charging and you will never run out of juice for your daily usage. The phone is also future ready with the 5G support. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with the IP68 rated water resistance, so unwanted accidental spills may not be a cause of worry anymore. Talking about the memory, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage that you can expand up to 1 TB. So, is this the right phone for you? Well, if you're someone looking for a lag-free performance, stunning pro-grade cameras, a stellar display, and the future-ready 5G support, then look no further than the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for watching.